Good afternoon. Today we're going to do grilled chicken, and really we're going to show this video for the technique part of it. We like to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs because it's got a little bit more fat in it, a little bit juicier. You can use chicken breasts, and we're going to use a seasoning. Ours happen to be Secret Seasoning number 5 by Sarah.com. But you can use Montreal chicken, you can use a Cajun seasoning, you can use salt and pepper or a garlic powder, but this is just the one we're going to use. So we're going to start with just seasoning the chicken. And the reason we use a mix, let me wash my hands. I need to just use one of my hands to do this. Alright, so I can get the seasoning ready. And we season pretty liberal. We want lots of flavor in it. Front and back, up and down, top and bottom, whatever you want to call it. We go through a lot of seasonings in our house.
Yep, we do.
We just want to create lots of flavor. And I already know the blend on this is great, so I don't have to worry about being too salty or too hot and spicy for the kids. Alright, so the main part of this technique is we're going to flatten it out to kind of tenderize the chicken. Make it a little bit bigger to go on the grill. And the way we do that is you can use saran wrap or you can use a Ziploc bag like I have. I like to cut one corner out of it. You can cut the whole thing. I mean both sides out if you want. We just want to get one piece out like this with all that heavy seasoning on it. And so this is twofold. This is to tenderize the chicken a little bit, spread it out thinner so it all cooks close to one time and temp on the grill without having like one piece of really thick chicken and one piece of really thin chicken. So let's just get after it. So we're keeping the chicken juice from spreading all over the kitchen and all over everything else. But we're also taking and smushing that seasoning in that we just put on top of the chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'll just make a little spot in my casserole dish here. Pull the plastic up. Get in there with my tongs so I keep at least one hand pretty clean. No poultry on it. Raw poultry. And we're going to go round 2. We're going to do another one. We'll go ahead and get this one flattened out. I'll finish the rest of them off camera after I get done with this one, and then we'll go to the grill.
Looking pretty good.
Right. Alright, so when you get done smushing the chicken out, we lost a little bit of spice, but then you just throw this away because you've already had raw chicken on it. So I decided that since we're going out to the grill, let's do a couple extra things to go with the food. I got some metal skewers because no matter how much you soak bamboo skewers or the wooden skewers, they still catch on fire when you use them in the grill. So we're going to get a few of these sweet peppers. Let's get some colorful ones. Make it look nice. And basically let's just do it the easy way.
Kind of looks like shish kebabs.
That's right, it does, doesn't it, Titus? And look, made it look all nice and colorful, pleasing to the eye.
Yep.
Alright, so let's cut this red onion up. One of the things I like to do with the red onion is put it on the grill in thick slices with a little bit of olive oil, maybe some salt and pepper and garlic powder. Nothing real fancy this time around. Let's see. Alright, let's see how that's going to work for us. Get this outside layer off real quick. Alright, let's get this skewer through it. That'll help it when we're grilling. And of course, we can always use our cooling racks on the grill like I showed in another video on how to use those on top of your grill for vegetables that seem to fall through sometimes. And just remember, this doesn't have to look perfect. You just want to stick them on there to where to make it easy on you when you're grilling them. Alright, that's about all that's going to fit on there. And that one's a little bit offset, but it'll be alright. So, a little bit of olive oil. We'll do a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder.
Smells good.
And it'll probably be even better once we get it out there on that grill, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, a little bit more. Go ahead and do both sides. A bit of garlic powder. And let me just rub it on there just a little bit. I'll get a plate, put this on, and we'll go out to the grill. In the meantime, I'll clean this up real quick. The grill is already preheated, so we're just gonna get our vegetables on. And since I got them on the skewers, I don't need to use the cooling rack to hold the vegetables up. I'll go ahead and put those on. Get our chicken on. Since we're pounding them out with all that seasoning in them, that taste will be in there real good. We got a few little pieces I'll put up top to cook. Alright, let me get a little bit of sauce out of the casserole thing. Put the last piece of chicken on. And we'll come back in a little while and check on it. We're back to check it out. Alright. They flip them onions over. They're holding together pretty good, actually. Get them peppers. Oh, look at there. Got them charred up real nice. Chicken thighs are looking real good. We'll give them a couple minutes on this side. And we'll bring the thermometer back out here and temp that chicken. Check it out. Oh yeah! Oh, I forgot to bring my thermometer with me. Well, we'll temp it when we go inside. I'm pretty sure it's done. It's sizzling, baby. Get all these bits.
Those onions look good.
Yes, they do, don't they? We're gonna get them bits, throw them right on top of the chicken like that. Get these peppers. Chuck it right on top like that. And that's basically it. We just wanted to show you the technique of putting the seasoning on the chicken first and then pounding it out so you get the seasoning really ground in there and then grill it on the grill. And then of course we got Titus, my cameraman today, doing a good job.
Yep.
And we'll see y'all next time.